Hey, hey, hey! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are right now. Welcome to my YouTube channel, OFW Success. This is Ray Anticristo. Our topic for today: what is the difference cable tree installation between Aramco and ADNOC? Okay, we'll start. So now, as you can see, this is the actual installation at the yard or the fabrication yard. So you can see here the cable tray, and then another here. You can see the cable tray as well, and left and right. Okay, so this is the cable tray material, and this is the cable tray material. So what is the difference of the cable tray materials? That is aluminum and GRP. Okay, so this is the difference of the installations of the requirements of the materials between Aramco and ADNOC. So Aramco, they are using aluminum cable tree, and in ADNOC project we're using GRP. So you can see the difference. That's why we cannot say that we are using Shell, ADNOC, BP, QP, Qatar Petroleum. So it's totally different requirements. So if you are engineering, quality or construction, of course we need to follow as per our specifications and standards of the company. So this is information that you need to know about the cable tray materials. So this is the material GRP, as you can see here. This is basic informations and material this here. This is aluminum. So very simple, and you can understand why they are using aluminum, why they are using GRP. Okay, it depends of the company standard specification requirements. And there is an advantage also, and there is a disadvantage also. So what is the advantage and disadvantage? You are installing GRP, so the bonding of your earthing is not really required. Okay, but if you are installing in the aluminum, some they are putting bonding, some are not. It depends. You can read the specification and you can learn and more informations about the specification requirements. So how about here? As you can see here, you can see the difference. So especially when you are installing the cable tray, of course, when you're installing the cable tray, there is a reducers, there is a splice plate, there is an angle. So angle either 45 degrees, 90 degrees. As you can see in this left area, the photos in left portion. So you can see this. Why they are installing like that? Because that is allocated for the instrument tubing. So this is for the tubing tray. Okay, that's why you can see there is no 45 degrees, there is no slope. Like when you bend the cable, this is the problem. There is no bending of your cable. It's sharp, sharp bend, so that is not acceptable for the cable tray and if you are installing for the cable installation. So this kind of installation, this is belongs for the tubing only, right? That's additional information from your side. All right, so just simple informations about the differences between the cable installations and between Aramco and ADNOC. All right, guys, and thank you for your subscribing and see you in my next videos to be uploaded. Of course, just for your heads up, all of the informations based on my YouTube channel, that is combinations of work, pleasures, business, and safety activities. All right, bye bye.